Welcome to the life of coffee lovers. We are glad that you are here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us on our social media. Now let's get straight into the video. Now that is what I call iced coffee, honey. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jose Nicole and welcome to the life of coffee lovers. Yes. Today's video is all about coffee. We all know, we've been seeing this all over TikTok, all over YouTube, all over Instagram, and it's the Dalgona coffee, if I'm pronouncing that right. Basically, it's whipped coffee on top of cold iced milk. And I am so excited to do this video today. I am going to be doing it a little bit different because I do not own instant coffee, and that's the difference between me and other people. I do not have instant coffee, but I do have my espresso maker right here on the side of me, and we're gonna pull 2 shots out of this espresso machine, and that's how we are going to get this whipped coffee. I'm gonna go over the things that we need. First of all, you do need to either get a whisk, so you do need one of these. You're gonna need a bowl, you need the sugar. So white sugar for when you put the sugar into the coffee, and then you just need your coffee. So today's coffee I am using Peet's. I believe it is Major Dickinson blend, and that's what I'm using for today. We're gonna go ahead and pull our shot. So we're gonna go ahead and do a double shot filter, and we're gonna do the grind size for 3. We want this to be kind of strong, so we're gonna go ahead and pack this down a little bit more. And we're gonna add another shot. I'm gonna add another shot, a single. So now that we have our espresso shots in here, we're gonna go ahead and add 2 scoops of sugar. 1. Uh-oh. Hold on, let me put a little bit more. It got stuck on the spoon. So now that we have that done, so now the whole process is going ahead and whisking this, and let's just get to it. You want to do this for about 10 minutes or until you feel that it's fluffy enough. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and whipped. I think it can be whipped a little bit more personally. But I think this is gonna work, cause I started at 12:52 whipping it, and it's like 1:22, and I don't know, like maybe I need to be more on high speed for it to whip faster. But I'm gonna be using coconut milk. I love silk coconut milk. I'm lactose, so I definitely cannot have like real milk. So I'm gonna be using these 2 glasses just because I need to take pictures. But these are the 2 glasses that I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and pour the milk in this one first. And I think that's a good enough amount. And I'm going to pour some of the caramel in here. Well, I'm going to put a little bit in there, a pump in there. We're going to take our fluffy stuff and we're gonna mix it in there. Just like so. So I am mixing it in here. As you guys can see, I'm putting it in here. Ooh. And the reason why I wanted to do it with espresso is because I need my stuff to be strong. I really love strong coffee, and I cannot deal with like just weak coffee. I'm sorry. I needed to have like a strong and bold taste. Oh, this looks so cute. Look at you guys. And what I did was I put the caramel in there. And usually it makes it to where it starts pouring down. Like it has this like a little effect. So that's number one. I'm gonna put ice in this other one. So we're gonna pour the milk as so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pump this in here. I do like a half a pump in here. And then I'm gonna go in with the whipped coffee and pour it in there. Oh my gosh, this looks delicious. Do you guys see this? All right, you guys. So we have our drinks here and look how they look. Just yummy, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna take a sip of this one. That's good. Ooh, now coffee. Whoa! Okay, y'all might be thinking I'm over exaggerating, but I'm really extra. But this junk is better than yesterday, sweetie. Now that is what I call an iced coffee, honey. Wow. I'm about to be hyped up because I already had like 2 cups of coffee already. Boo, cheers to you. I'm gonna have, this is it. The only thing is, it takes forever to whip, but it really knocks it out the park when you add that caramel. Drink number 2. Gosh, I'm proud of myself because this is way better than yesterday. Hey, Silk Milk, sponsor me, boo-boo. I've been using you for a minute. That completes the video. I know there's tons of videos out there teaching you on how to make this drink, the Dalgona. I think that's how you pronounce it. If not, correct me in the comments because I know you guys will come for me. I really enjoy making this video. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and comment down below and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me there on the Instagram. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.